Alright, 2006 Nissan Frontier. It's running rough, and oh look, check engine lights on. 242,000 kilometers. So I hooked up to the OBD2 scanner. Let's hit read. Let's see what we got. It's also like 40 degrees here in Manitoba, so I don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. It's like 100 or something, I don't know. Super hot today. Been sweating all day. Come on now. So P0300 means misfire. Okay, I gathered that because I know my truck is running rough, and I know the reason why. Well, it was supposed to say 302, but we'll say that. It's because an ignition coil is gone. We'll erase that. There, I'll rev it up actually. Here. Oh boy. Yeah, sounds like garbage, runs like garbage. Okay, turn that off. How do you do it? Get yourself a 10mm. Well, look, I know which one it is because I recently had this problem and I swapped out my ignition coil with a different one. I had cylinder 5 that was misfiring, so I took ignition coil from cylinder 5 and moved it to cylinder 2 so I could test it. So I could see if it would give me a different code, which it did the other day. So I know that it's this coil that's bad. So I'm gonna pull that sucker out and put in this. Oh, come on now. Put in this Hitachi, made in Japan, Put this Hitachi sucker in here. And it will run like normal. So, let me set this up now. That'll work. Okay. So, this guy right here. So, ooh, this is all hot. Unplug that. Okay, you can see that. This guy right here. So that's unplugged. Now 10mm socket. Two hands. Oh. There we go. It's loose. I also pulled out my spark plug the other day and it was a little bit wet. No, not wet, it was dirty. I didn't like that. I should probably change my spark plug because I drove a few days with it running rough. So here we go. That's all it is. One bolt, one 10mm. What does this guy say? This is OEM. Oh. Hanshin. Whatever that means. Okay, let's put the new one in. The Hitachi. In Japan. Amazon Prime. Didn't want to wait. There we go. It's in. I'll put this guy in. Oops. Okay. Please do. This manual autofocus is a pain in the butt. Okay. So you can see there's cylinder 1, the new one, or sorry, cylinder 2, the new one. And then cylinder 4, and then cylinder 6 is hidden back there. Well, not hidden. You can see it. Okay. Oh. Turn it the right way. There we go. There we go. Tight enough. Don't want to over tighten it. Break it off. You know how that goes. Just plug in that guy back in. It didn't go click, but it's in. Okay. Start her up. Oh baby, running good. Like a dream. Like a dream. No codes. I'm still plugged in. I guess I can unplug that. That's how easy it is to do an ignition coil on a 2nd gen Frontier. There's the Hitachi right there. And you can see on the other side, there's one. That's cylinder 5. That was the initial bad one. And then there's cylinder 3. And cylinder 1 is, I don't know, underneath the intake manifold piping. So, irrelevant. There we have it.